नमस्कार, मैं हूँ बॉबी और स्वागत है आपका हीलियो लाइफ में। तो आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, क्योंकि हमारा शो इज अबाउट मेडिटेशन, इसी को बेस करते हैं और इसी के बारे में बात करते हैं। वी ऑलवेज हैव पीपल हु आर इनटू ट्रीटिंग, हीलिंग एंड देयर थ्रू द स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी। ठीक है, लेकिन आज जो हमारे गेस्ट है वो बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग है क्योंकि ना वो बैलेंस किए हुए हैं। शी इज अ लॉयर, निशा ढाका है उनका नाम। और डिस्पाइट लॉ, जहाँ पे लोग दिक्कत है, बहुत मैसिव दिक्कत हो जाती है तभी आते हैं कोर्ट में, राइट। तो उसके साथ में कैसे ये अपना स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ, जो ये रोज मेडिटेशन करती है, न्यूमरोलॉजी पे किताब लिख रही है ना। और जो इनके और कितनी सालों की प्रैक्टिस है आई थिंक इन न्यूमरोलॉजी। चलिए पहले तो स्वागत करते हैं और इन्हीं से जानते हैं और कैसे बैलेंस करे हुए हैं ये और कैसे मैनेज कर रही हैं एक्चुअली। ठीक है, आइए स्वागत करते हैं। स्वागत है आपका निशा जी। तो जैसे मैंने ओपनिंग में बताया कि बड़ा अनोखा मेल जो है आपका, कि आप न्यूमरोलॉजी कर रहे हो और कितने सालों से कर रहे हो वो प्रैक्टिस, और किताब भी लिख रहे हो उस पे, जो वी आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू जब भी वो प्रिंट होकर आएगी। और फिर लॉ का प्रैक्टिस जो आप डेली प्रैक्टिस में हो। ओके, और कमिंग फ्रॉम आर्मी बैकग्राउंड, ठीक है, आर्मी लाइफ आपने जी जी है लंबे वक्त तक, ठीक है, मोर देन हाफ ऑफ योर लाइफ, एंड देन लॉ, और फिर meditations and numerology and writing books on it, right? So कैसे, like, numerology happened to you first of all?
Ma'am, numerology is a secondary step.
Okay.
Prior to that, when uh, I was not into too much of puja or spiritualism, everybody's life has changed during the COVID times. Something strange was there, and we were staying alone at a place where we had lot of these animals around and the birds around.
Okay.
So I started noticing from there that there is a big story on how I started seeing the energies also,
Okay.
how they started communicating with me, and if I have to say that I have witnessed them also. So this is the stage wherein I had not begun my prayers and spiritualism. There's I will tell you in short, because for anybody who wants to get into my kind of meditation and wants to learn about how to manifest things, so this is a necessary step. So I will include this in my whatever I am going to tell you. We had a GOC, his wife, Mrs. Parashar.
Yeah.
She is a renowned. Uh, what she used to do, she used to follow Sri Mataji, and when she came to the cantonment area in Ahmedabad, she forced all the ladies. I will not use this forced word in a negative sense. She made it a compulsory this thing that in the evening 5:30 to 6:30 we'll all be meditating with her.
Okay.
So initially, because we are not into puja and all those things, so we were compelled to do. Almost around 80 ladies had to participate there, but initially I also wanted to run away because nobody likes to sit and meditate. So what she used to do, what she explained is that we have to keep one candle, Sri Mataji's photo, and water. So that time I did not understand the concept of keeping these two things. Then we were told to sit quietly and allow the thoughts to pass by. And if we are analyzing something, it was also allowed. If we are thinking something extra, that was also allowed. It was just that we had to concentrate on our kundalini and we had to try to bring it up. So initially I also did it without my pure willingness.
Okay.
Then I thought, why not to do? If I'm coming here, let me try doing it. So this something somehow it changed my life very quickly. Within a month or so, आई रियलाइज दैट उन्होंने मुझे, मिसेस पराशर ने बोला था कि जब आप अटेन कर लेते हो अपना ये कुंडलिनी उठती है, तो I might be wrong because I am not trained in this subject. It is all raw information that I have through my experiences.
Okay.
So, what was the last stage of that meditation with Mrs. Parashar was that I felt that something came out of here, and I roamed around in the universal area. What she told me कि ऐसा होगा आपको, ऐसा हुआ. बहुत लेडीज को मैंने रोते हुए देखा. चेंज, सबकी लाइफ चेंज हुई, मेरी लाइफ उससे कहाँ चेंज हो गई कि आई स्टार्टेड witnessing the energies in many forms. Then I started continued this meditation, and I changed the form of this meditation because I had to sit for long hours for some reasons which I am not going to tell here. It would
Okay,
be in my
sure.
book.
Yeah.
Huh. So then I started with the Bij mantra of many lords and the planets and Rahu and Ketu. So there are around 10-15 mantras, 108. Because that was the COVID time and I was free. So I did all these mantras, one sitting in the morning and one at night. So it was around 1.5 hour during the daytime and 1.5 hour during the evening time.
Okay.
So when I started doing this meditation for around 3 hours a day,
Hmm.
1.5 घंटा सुबह 1.5 घंटा शाम,
Okay.
that is when I am always intuitive from my childhood.
Okay.
There are many traits which I have from the initial years of my life, but now what I started seeing is that whatever I say comes to be true. Whatever I wish, I get that, and whatever I do, it is. One is our quality of working hard and doing things in a better way, but something has changed. So like whatever I desire, it happens,
Okay.
even if it is not possible also, even if it is not possible also, then also it happens. And my intuitiveness, I can relate to little bit of forecasting, telling things prior to their happening. This I have since my childhood,
Okay.
but this is how the manifestation has come into my life. So I would recommend, आपने पूछा नहीं है फिर भी मैं बता रही हूँ, because I believe that everybody should do meditation, not for 3 hours, but my form of meditation is बीज mantras तो करते हैं, but now that I have understood how manifestation happens, manifestation is a thing called as self analysis. When we sit, we close our eyes, we think about whatever happened during the day, how we struggled, what good happened, how we attained something. So we are strategizing, quietly sitting in a room, strategizing, and I do keep my notebook and pen.
So आपने खुद डिजाइन किया ये जो
हाँ,
मेडिटेशन आप
ये
करते
मैं
हो आपने
that
खुद
is what I am
ये
telling you. This is all through my experience, nothing against anybody,
okay
no
but you
practice.
have designed
हाँ,
yourself this
so
and
हाँ,
you do that particular मतलब
जी,
उसमें changes नहीं होते फिर
हाँ, and that improves my quality of work also and gives me the direction also. And the best part of it, what I have noticed is that, see, if you and I are fighting, having a feud, and there is some problem, you are yelling at me.
yeah
So now I will not react at all. Why I will not react is not that कि I have attained a जहाँ पे मुझे आप पे दया आ रही है या कुछ आ रहा है. I can understand you. I understand the plight behind your behavior and the problems that you have faced in your life. So I have that empathy, relatable empathy, wherein I understand you. So this has come through meditation.
okay
Now comes my profession. I told you I see the energies also.
yes
Men, I recognize them through the smell. I don't know what is the term used for that. I can sense the energies around. Of late there was one case. उसमें जो accused था, he was present in the court compound. I saw him for the first time, and somehow I looked at him and wondered why he is doing all these things. He appeared to be a very decent child. So I came back home. I was feeling very restless, extremely. I could not understand at that time why this is happening to me.
yes.
So I slept. I could not sleep. I got up early. I told my husband that I'm not feeling good. I defined it as डर लग रहा है मुझको. I told him so. So there's another colleague of mine. We exchange morning wishes also.
Okay.
So I wrote to him that I presume that somebody is going to expire. So इस पे हमने थोड़ा सा मजाक भी किया कि ऐसे थोड़ा ना होता है. और उसी दिन शाम को around 4 o'clock I could sense the presence of some energy very strongly, and I told my colleague only. Was we were sitting at the police station, and कई बार क्या हम कॉन्शियस हो जाते हैं ना कि हम में से कोई ऑर्डर ना आ रहा हो, स्वेट का वो ना आ रहा हो, पसीने की स्मेल ना आ रही हो. सो ही वाज सिटिंग बिसाइड मी. आई ट्राइड टू कंट्रोल अ लॉट, बट व्हेन दैट स्मेल व्हिच आई अंडरस्टूड दैट देयर इज अ एनर्जी अराउंड मी, बट कभी कभी हमको खुद पे भरोसा नहीं होता है. तो मैंने उनको कहा कि देखो, अगर मुझ में से कोई स्मेल आ रही है तो प्लीज दिस इज नॉट मी, दिस इज समथिंग एल्स. It is exactly then he got a call that the boy whom I had seen on the previous day in the court compound has been killed by somebody. And this spirit stayed with me for 2 3 days. I know a lot about spirits through my own experience, and I believe ये भी मैं लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ, इसलिए आपके बिना
जी।
पूछे बता रही हूँ कि हम बोलते हैं गंदी स्पिरिट्स होती हैं, अच्छी स्पिरिट्स होती हैं। मेरा एक बहुत बेसिक सा मानना ये है कि जिस इंसान को ये पता होता है कि वो गलत चीज है, वो करेगा नहीं। हम गलती तब तक करते हैं जब तक हमको गलती पता नहीं होती है। Likewise, when we all know the stories that when we die, so we get a view of our entire life, what happened with us. So that is the time when we are just above this ground and we see the entire picture of our life, what we have spent.
Exactly.
And we clearly see as a third person what right we did, what wrong we did, and what better we could have done. So once we are not in this physical form, I personally believe that we are capable of knowing right and wrong, and I believe that all the energies are very good. At least with me, they have always been very helpful. This manifestation, I connect with them.
Okay.
I connect with them. I do not do anything else, nothing else beyond this meditation.
Okay. Very
But they are all connected with me, and they are all good. And there is another story which is not a story; it's a fact, and a very deep fact of my life. We were posted at Ahmedabad.
Go on.
So I want to tell you another thing which has made me realize how spirits talk to us.
Okay.
I have not been able to talk to them, but I understand them. And complete thing I am not going to tell because I am writing a book. I want
Sure.
people to
Yes.
read
Exactly.
it. So my husband is has been working with the army, and he had a boss and his wife. They were very close to us. We were like family people, and we had been posted at 2 3 stations together. There was some rift going on between the husband and wife. We were not aware of that. Suddenly something happened. He used to talk with me also, being a sister, so suddenly his wife left him. She went to some other city because of the rift going on between them. And then he talked कि मैम प्लीज आप उसको हिला दो वरना मैं जी नहीं पाऊंगा.
Okay.
So this is his last conversation, and then because he was little drunk, so he started on crying, and I was holding the phone for quite some time. Then I disconnected it because he didn't know that the phone is on hold. So I told my husband कि he is not in right frame of mind. You must go and meet him. So he said कि okay, I will plan and go. So next day we got to know that he has slipped in the bathroom and he's expired.
Oh.
So I did not experience his presence around me. Then I spoke with his wife, and she, around after a month, she also passed away. She was on some medication because some problem with the medication, and she expired. This is the time when I realized too many things. Too many things in the sense, this this lady stayed with me for more than 10 days. She was very restless, and she was trying to tell me something. But because I know they had only one son, and nobody is there to take care of him, so I understand कि her worry must be her child only. So I promised to her, I can't communicate with her, but she's there and she's around me and she's literally with me.
Okay.
So I promised to her कि I will be the mother of your child throughout the life. Even if he is not staying in my contact, I will keep a follow up and I will keep this thing. And there was some reason, ma'am, for which I was annoyed with that lady. हमारे वैल्यूज थोड़े से डिफरेंट थे, तो आई said that I don't talk to her, and somewhere I felt that the officer expired because of her. I had this feeling.
Okay.
So on that note also, she taught me a lesson. She literally taught me a lesson, and this all has happened without her communicating with me.
Okay.
So now, but I know what she wanted to tell me. She had that much of impact. जैसे हम मूवीज में देखते हैं कि ये टेबल उड़ा दी that thing I have not experienced. But without having spoken with her, without her communicating anything, या तो ये होना था या ये उन्होंने कर दिया, that I am not aware. but there are two major things which has changed my life, and plus I told you I feel the presence. So when it comes to about my working, I've already told you that I could foresee somebody's death. I one more occasion is there when I which was very strange for me. अभी तक भी मैं पहचान नहीं पाती हूँ. हम जनरली एक दूसरे को देखते हैं, we see only one face.
Yeah.
In that person I saw two faces, and it was very confusing for me ki how come I have to relate to this face,
Okay.
because when you are looking at me, you are seeing me only as one person, but when somebody else is looking at me, it is very difficult to even tell people how I can see two faces. This has happened only once.
Okay.
So then I don't know, it is the childhood inheritance what I have, or it is through this meditation that I have got, but I understand that meditation has this power to
So this
change the life.
this sensing of, you know, energies, it happened before you started meditating, or it it happened after? It was there forever, like this
I
intuitive.
think it started along with this process when I started doing that Shri Mataji wala
Okay.
meditation, because बुक में पढ़िएगा, छोटा सा मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि it was the first time when I sensed somebody walking behind me and I literally turned back and nobody was there. That energy said something, I heard it, and but I got scared. So क्योंकि हमको तो ये सब मूवीज में ही देखते हैं, हाँ, और मुझे अभी भी नहीं पता इसको कैसे रिलेट करते हैं, इसीलिए आई थॉट ऑफ राइटिंग एवरी सिंगल थिंग. यू आस्क्ड मी अबाउट द न्यूमरोलॉजी, हाउ आई गॉट इनटू दिस. सो आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग वेरी repeating pattern of numbers.
Okay.
Generally people connect with angel numbers. So I started with 777. So हमारे पास नेट ही होता है, क्योंकि because I am not a trained person. नेट से मीनिंग समझा मैंने 777 का, तो ऐसे ऐसे से मैंने इनिशियली तो नोटबुक बनाई, क्योंकि मुझे लगा थोड़े से नंबर्स ऐसे में आ जाएंगे. देन द पैटर्न स्टार्टेड चेंजिंग, मिरर नंबर्स आए, repeated बड़े numbers आए, multiple numbers आए. There are variety kind of various kind of patterns which I started seeing.
Okay.
उनका मैंने एक्सप्लोर ज्यादा नहीं किया है, बिकॉज आई डोंट गेट दैट मच ऑफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड. बट वन थिंग आई हैव अंडरस्टूड विद अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस नंबर्स, व्हेन नंबर्स ऐसे आए मेरी लाइफ में, मैं बैडमिंटन खेलती थी, मैं कार चलाती थी, एवरीथिंग इज मैथमेटिक्स फॉर मी. मैथमेटिक्स और फिजिक्स, somehow mathematics is on my mind 24/7.
Okay.
So I understood that number has got some role in our life. Randomly I started reading numbers, not trained again, but I believe, very firmly believe कि जो number lock होता है, अगर किसी को वो number lock खोलना आ जाए तो we can change the life, ऐसा मेरा belief है.
Okay.
मैंने number lock तो अभी तक अपना भी ढूंढा नहीं है, but I certainly believe that studying numbers is a must. We should get trained. हमारा जैसे hobbies होती हैं, this should be a part of hobby, because see, if we can change our life by understanding the matrix of these numbers, so why not?
Okay.
It's a simple thing. ज्यादा लगता भी नहीं है, थोड़े से तो नंबर है, नंबर कॉम्बिनेशन बनाने हमको, connecting it with my profession.
Okay.
I have got see, I understand people. There are various kind of emotions that we have to deal with, and this is when I am talking about the humanly connection. Otherwise, we are into financial fraud also, and various kind of cases that come to us. So they are purely economic type of cases. So they do not have anything to for me to connect with my spiritualism.
Okay.
But when we are talking about the criminal part, so we see variety of people with different psychology, different problems. How meditation has helped me is that I can understand the psychology. I cannot see an accused as an accused.
Right.
Because there are many various struggles which they go through. हम बहुत आराम से कह देते हैं कि ये हो गया, वो हो गया, बट हर चीज के पीछे पहली बात तो उन्हें गलती की रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं होती है. उनकी स्ट्रगल्स होती हैं, उनकी स्ट्रगल्स के बेसिस पे उनके ओपिनियंस होते हैं, और बहुत चीजें होती हैं विच आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज अ स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन. उससे मेरा थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट लगता है उनके लिए, और मैं एक्स्ट्रा समझ के उनके लिए एक्स्ट्रा मदद कर सकती हूँ. एंड अगर मुझसे मेरे पर्सनल उसके लिए आप पूछेंगे तो थोड़े दिन पहले मैं हॉस्पिटल गई थी किसी को देखने के लिए. आई हैड नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड सो, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. आई वाज ड्रेन्ड आउट फॉर 2 days. I was just drained out for 2 days. First time in my life, I realized that my energy has gone down.
Okay.
So I have not explored why it happened, how it happened, but I am relating it to the hospital. So it does happen, and many times I feel that spirits are coming along from the court area to my place. They stay with me
Okay.
for 2 3 days. I don't see them, I can just smell them
Smell them.
when I'm studying, when I'm sitting there around me.
Could you just tell us what kind of smell that you can?
Different for everybody,
Different.
it is not just the same.
It's not like an. It's like an
कभी बहुत
odor.
ज्यादा गैस की, जैसे गैस ऑन रह गई है,
हाँ.
वो भी आ सकती है, आपको पेट्रोल की भी आ सकती है, आपको स्मोक की भी आ सकती है, और बड़ी अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस भी आ सकती
Okay.
है.
So it
तो
differs.
हाँ, इट डिफर्स.
मतलब
एंड
ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त ही नहीं हो रही है मुझे ये स्मेल?
नहीं, मतलब आई डोंट टेक इट नेगेटिवली.
Okay.
और मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है, फील ब्लेस्ड
Okay.
whenever I sense that somebody is around.
Hmm.
So, और एक चेंज ये आया है, मुझसे स्क्विरल भी बात करती है. पहले तो मैंने देखा, क्योंकि डॉग्स तो हम सबके पास होते हैं, आई सी देम दैट दे हैव स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग विद मी, एंड बहुत ही मेरे साथ साथ रहते हैं, इवन इफ आई एम नॉट cuddling them and not bothering about them. थोड़े दिन पहले मैं कोर्ट में बैठी थी, लंच टाइम था, मुझे कुछ काम था, तो मैं एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठी थी. स्क्विरल्स भागती हैं, आती जाती हैं, तो आई ट्राइड टू कम्युनिकेट कैजुअली, एंड द स्क्विरल स्टॉप्ड. इट टर्न्ड, एंड हम सबसे बातें तो कर ही लेती हैं, बट उसने बड़ी अच्छी बात की. तो मैं अभी ये समझी हूँ कि थोड़े थोड़े से एनिमल्स मुझसे ज्यादा कनेक्ट हो गए पहले से.
Okay.
और जो स्पिरिट्स आई टोल्ड यू कि कोर्ट से आती हैं, मेरे साथ रहती हैं और रह के चली जाती हैं, उनको मैं सबको प्रॉमिस करती हूँ कि अगर मुझे इनडायरेक्टली डायरेक्टली कभी भी ऐसा पता चला कि आपको मेरी हेल्प की जरूरत है, एंड यू आर एबल टू कन्वे इट टू मी, so I will be helping you. But
Okay.
Nothing of this sort has ever happened. It is limited just to uh, having their presence around,
Okay.
and I feel blessed about it.
Okay. तो रेशा जी, आप जैसे जो आप बता रहे हो, लाइक यू नो, इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट व्हाट हैव. मैंने और भी बहुत सारे लोगों से मिली हूँ, ये बारे में बात करी है, लाइक सेंसिंग स्पिरिट्स एंड स्टफ, बट व्हाट यू आर डिफाइनिंग इज वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट दैट आई हैव नेवर कम अक्रॉस. तो चलो, ये तो हो गई बात वो. ठीक है, तो गोइंग बैक टू द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मैं फिर से उसी को कनेक्ट कर रही हूँ कि आप ये जो बैलेंस रख रहे हो, ठीक है, कि ना आप डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हो, आपके साथ चीज़ें आ रही हैं, यू नो, एनर्जीज, ये सब तो एनर्जीज है. हम भी, वी आर ऑल्सो, वी जस्ट हैव अ बॉडी, दे डोंट हैव, दैट्स इट. वो उनके पास भी कभी था और हमारे पास एक टाइम पे नहीं होगा. सो अगेन, लाइक गोइंग बैक, कि ये जो बैलेंस रख रहे हो आप विदाउट गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब बाय योर वर्क एंड दीज थिंग्स डिस्टर्बिंग यू इन एनी मैनर, ना इससे डिस्टर्ब हो रहे हो ना उससे डिस्टर्ब हो, बैलेंस लेके चल रहे हो. तो ऐसी आपकी डेफिनेटली एक डेली रूटीन का एक प्रैक्टिस होता होगा, राइट? यू मेडिटेट एंड स्टफ. तो आपका डेली प्रैक्टिस क्या है जो
मैं
आप
इसमें
करते ही करते हो, मतलब?
I have known very, very specifically now that I live in two parallel worlds.
Okay.
Both are very dear to me, and I have a married life. I'm live as a married lady also. I'm able to this. Why I'm specifically telling you is that पूजा के टाइम पे हम कई बार ये सोचते हैं कि संन्यास आश्रम, गृहस्थ आश्रम. आई एम लिविंग इन बोथ द वर्ल्ड्स, the world of energies. I connect with many other things because the time is short, so I cannot tell you
Sure.
explain in detail. But both the worlds are very dear to me, and what I do is that after finishing my work,
जी.
I sleep around 12 o'clock. This is my normal routine. So I do meditation before sleeping. Now it is not 1.5 hours, obviously, but around 1 hour I do all those beej mantras. Oh, I have seen it from the net only,
Okay.
and not only the gods we relate to. I do beej mantras of all the planets also, and the Rahu Ji Ketu Ji also. So that is the way I meditate. But while meditating, because I'm repeating same mantras, so it is boring. I feel sleepy also, and I get distracted also. इसमें एक चीज मैं आपको बताना भूल गई हूँ कि हम जब बैठे होते हैं, हमको नहीं लगता है कि हम पूजा कर रहे हैं या हम ट्रांस में चले गए. लेकिन जब जैसे बच्चे आके अचानक से बोलेंगे
जी
तो वो जो डिस्ट्रैक्शन तब होता है, इट अफेक्ट्स द समथिंग इन द ब्रेन, इट हेविली अफेक्ट्स, तो दैट इज व्हेन वी गेट टू नो कि हमें पता नहीं चल रहा बट वी आर इनटू ट्रांस. So even when I'm doing the beach mantras, I now know that I'm totally into my inner self.
ओके
और वहां पे मुझे ख्याल आते हैं, केस के ख्याल आएंगे, मैंने कहाँ गलत कर दिया, कहाँ ठीक कर दिया, कहाँ क्या स्ट्रेटेजी लगानी है, कौन सी एप्लीकेशन छूट गई, वो सब पहले भूल जाती थी उठते ही.
जी
फिर आई kept a notebook and pen and I write all the things in between of the meditation also.
ओ
So
ओके
it helps me to strategize better. और इसी तरह करती हूँ मैं. I try that I do not skip my meditation. And one thing that I want to share is that the concept of diya and pani, what I have understood, not read, not trained, personally my experience, that the spirits prefer to stay around the fire and water. So when we have both the things around while meditating, so we have the positive energies around. That is why I have now started understanding that when we meditate, if we can, we should light a candle or diya and have some water also around, so that the energies also feel good. So maybe aura cleansing or what, I don't know, but I have seen this. I have this is another very unusual thing that has happened with me. I have captured them. I have with them in form of pictures also. So that is when I started believing that why people keep this fire and water while doing meditation. So I practice this before sleeping. I do it. मॉर्निंग में कई बार मैं कार में भी कर लेती हूँ जाते टाइम, क्योंकि नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड मेडिटेशन इज नॉट अबाउट क्लोजिंग आईज. एंड फॉर मी so I can meditate it like this. So I do the mantras while driving also, because there is no distraction. सुबह के टाइम पे ट्रैफिक भी नहीं होता है, तो मंत्रों में ध्यान रखती हूँ. ये जरूर कॉन्शियसली कोशिश करती हूँ कि जो मैं मंत्र बोल रही हूँ उसको अपने माइंड में सुनूं भी, मतलब वो आवाज मुझे सुने भी आके. और साइड बाय साइड थॉट चलते हैं, दिन के बातों के थॉट चलते हैं. इस चीज से मुझे ये बेनिफिट होता है कि वो जब हम अपने बारे में सोचते हैं, ऑब्वियसली जितना ज्यादा सोचेंगे उतने ज्यादा जवाब मिल जाते हैं, क्योंकि हमको जवाब अपने से ही मिलते हैं. तो इट हेल्प्स मी इन दिस वे ऑल्सो. आई होप आई हैव
answered.
रिप्लाइड वेल.
Yes, you have.
जी.
Thank you so much. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रही है आपके साथ
और
कॉन्वर्सेशन.
मेरी बुक्स भी जरूर पढ़िएगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
I am
बिल्कुल.
writing about these numbers. I am writing about the energies,
Yeah.
what all energies I have seen and how they have interacted with
Yeah.
me. And one thing, one book I am writing on Sushant ji also.
तो निशा जी, आपके साथ ये कॉन्वर्सेशन है मेरे लिए थोड़ी सी नई भी है, बिकॉज वेन एवर पीपल टॉक अबाउट स्पिरिट, अच्छा बुरा, ये वो बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट अलग अलग, ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबडी हैव देयर ओन आइडियोलॉजीज एंड एवरी thought process differs from one to another. So yeah, it was very interesting to get something new and know something new. और बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका कि आपने ये जो क्रूशल आपका टाइम है उससे आपने टाइम निकाला, आप यहाँ आए और ये वक्त दिया हमें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Thanks
शेयरिंग
to
योर
you for
नॉलेज.
allowing me to share my experience with people.
थैंक यू सो
Thank
मच.
you. Thank you.
तो ये थी हमारे साथ निशा ढाका जी, जो लॉयर भी है और जो स्पिरिचुअल बातें हमने करी है. कुछ मिस आउट हो गया होगा तो रिमाइंड कीजिए और फिर से देखिए एपिसोड. ठीक है. बाकी इनकी किताब के बारे में या इनसे कनेक्ट करने के लिए अगर आप चाहते हो तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाइए और या मेक द मोस्ट आउट ऑफ इट. थैंक यू सो मच.